So yes, she'll be fine. Look how much space you have on the left side over here.
Oh yeah, I do.
Yeah,
okay.
Yeah, just slowly.
All right.
I'm gonna guide you. Just then you can go slow, please.
Okay.
Don't scare me. Can you bring us all the way into if you can?
Yeah. I just gotta reverse and just smash her mirror. I want to do that. I don't know why the movers would park like that. Then again, I guess they're just movers. Let's see if I can actually take this out.
It's fine. She'll be fine. Go slow. Stop turning it.
Honey, I know how to drive. I am him. Don't worry. This is why guys are better drivers than women. Okay, maybe, I don't know. I already knew that. I don't know why she's acting like I didn't know that already.
When we get back, park on this red side, okay?
Okay. Obviously, honey. Hey, Mazda. The CX-50. And we're off. Oh, this car is so yippy.
Yeah.
It's so like, look at the braking test. Oh, I didn't even press it all the way. I didn't want you to go into the windshield.
Yeah, you would've.
It's so sensitive. The reason I am filming today's video is because I'm gonna make back the amount of the Starbucks drink by filming this video and posting it today. So it works out. Anyways, how's everybody doing? Welcome to another driving POV of the Mazda Sedan 3, and it is the one that I posted previously, and it's doing so well. This car is getting views. I didn't think you guys liked it so much. So with that being said, we are going to be shooting more content with the Mazda Sedan 3. I did not think you guys would actually prefer this one over the CX-50 because, I mean, CX-50 does views, but 2,000 views in the last video within 2 days is pretty good. But why am I going this way?
Yeah, why did you go this way?
Oh, dang it.
Let's go to either one.
No, is it closer to go that way, right?
Yeah.
All right, well, I'll just make a U-turn. I wonder what they're gonna build here. What do you think they're gonna build? Like apartments or like a town center? If they build a Target and shopping, oh my god, it'll be perfect.
Just go that way. Oh, yeah.
So I mean, I think they're gonna make like a Target or a store. It says available. I hope they don't waste the spaces.
I feel like they're gonna make a gas station.
Oh man, I just restarted. Oh goodness. We were gonna go to this apartment complex, but we thought that it would be louder for the vehicles here, but it's actually louder over there, no? Because of the highway?
No, this is constant cars.
True, I guess. You're right.
This is non-stop.
Yeah, I guess you're
We
right.
don't have that much traffic.
Yeah, but we're going to eventually.
Yeah, we'll see. Not until everything's like put up on
But it's so close to everything. Like look at this. Wait, what is that? A Mazda Anesthetics Medical Spa? What is that?
there. Amazon Anesthetics.
A Mason, not Amazon.
Medical spa.
Anyone know what a medical spa is? Contact me and let me know in the comments. What is a Lexus UX 250? That's crazy. It's so small. Is this car bigger than that? No, we're in a car. That's pretty much a car. What am I saying?
That is really small. Look at it compared to the Highlander.
I need to do a review on a Highlander. Those cars are nice and they're really comfortable and they have good gas mileage. And they're reliable because it's a Toyota. So we want to know, honey, why don't you fill up your gas tank ever?
Because that's your job.
Okay, great. Wonderful.
Girls aren't supposed to put gas.
Okay. True. I guess it is your world and we are all just living in it.
Exactly.
And that is the case for every girl. Look, gas is $2.95.
This is what you signed up for, right?
I'm not denying it. Yeah, it's a nice weather outside. Grande vanilla sweet cream cold brew with 6 pumps of vanilla and a little bit more sweet cream. That is very good at Starbucks, but I don't think it's healthy. I'm pretty sure if you drink 7 pumps of vanilla every day of your life, you're gonna get 300 pounds or more.
It's 6 pumps of vanilla, babe.
Okay, that 1 pump of vanilla is gonna save you so much. I'm pretty sure this is bad for you.
No, it's coffee. It's good.
No, it's not. It's not just coffee. It's coffee with like 7 pumps of diabetes. That's what it is. All right.
Honey, but the coffee itself is a laxative. It's good for you.
The coffee itself is not all we're drinking. We're drinking coffee with 7 pumps of vanilla, which is sweet. 6 pumps of vanilla, which is sweet and extra calories. Right?
Delicious.
No. Okay. We have to limit this intake to like once every 3 days.
Yeah, that's not.
Because not only is it expensive, but it's also not good for you.
Espresso pods, though. This one's always busier than the other one.
7 cars?
Yeah.
Well, they're not slow.
Okay.
In the amount of time it'll take to go to the other one, right?
Maybe.
AT&T, they want us to get phones. Alright, I gotta do a new car on the channel. I've just been doing my Mazdas because I don't have time to go to the dealership and get POVs. But maybe I'll get a new car today or tomorrow for you guys. I'll post this video today and then I'll post another car tomorrow. And I should start doing some turos so I can get the cars for 24 hours. A Cadillac DeVille. I can't believe that car is still going. It's really old. Do you know what car that is?
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that car is so old and it has backup sensors. Like you can see the backup sensors. Do you see that?
Yeah.
They look so bad. Technology has come a long way.
Oh wow, Cadillac has good.
Reliability?
Yeah.
Yeah, that thing is still going.
Isn't that like a 19?
Look up the year of a Cadillac DeVille. I don't know the exact year, but $14.
1958.
That's a 19.
2005.
That's insane. That car
The
is.
oldest is 2000.
Yeah, that's insane.
Crazy.
Good morning. Thank you for choosing Starbucks. What can we get started for you?
Good morning. Can
Good
I
morning.
get the grande vanilla ice cream cold brew with the 7 pumps of the vanilla, or I'm sorry, 6 pumps of the vanilla, and
Okay.
some extra sweet cream,
Okay.
The sandwich.
and one of your turkey bacon sandwiches.
Turkey bacon?
Yes,
Yes,
please.
sir.
And
Anything
no, that'll be it.
Okay, so I have a grande vanilla cream cold brew with 6 pumps of vanilla, an extra vanilla cream,
You got
and a
it.
turkey bacon.
Yep.
Perfect. We'll see you at the window.
Thank you very much.
I hate when you
Wait.
talk like that.
Oh please.
Stop talking like
Oh please.
What?
I can talk however I want. If I want to identify as an Indian, I can identify as the Indian.
Something's wrong.
It is 2025. I love how this auto hold. Just put that there and let go of the brake. But of course now I have to move. Oh, you have it on your phone?
Yeah.
Okay.
Does it?
Mm-hmm. I just wish your car had wireless CarPlay. Why is it wired?
Remember the trim up does.
That's so dumb.
Remember?
But the CarPlay screen is nice.
Love it.
It is nice. It's very high def. It's not too small. It's like really nice.
Hi, how are you guys?
Hello, I'm good. Take my money.
Thanks. Straw?
Get one sriracha, baby.
No straws. Just can we get 2 srirachas, please?
Yeah. Here we go.
Thank you very much.
Have a great day, guys.
You as well. Bye.
Bye.
I almost went out of character right there. I literally transitioned in the middle of that interaction. Look at this. This person lives here. I mean, this person works here. Cybertrucks are cool. I'd get one. I mean, but they're $95,000 right now. What the? How are you spraying coffee on me? Okay, is this person like incompetent? It's old. Anyone can get that.
It's old?
Yeah.
It's nice though.
It's like 40 grand used.
Hold it good, okay?
Oh, that's so good.
I know.
This one's good. Okay, don't wave back at me, white boy. No, my name is Kyle. I'm not gonna wave back at people today. My Saturday's different.
Don't put your camera towards people.
Hey, it's a dash cam. Okay.
No, it is not. You don't.
I need to be able to identify the people next to me in case they're crazy. What if they have a kidnapped child in the back?
Oh my god.
Right. Give me a bite of my sandwich, please, and thank you.
Hold on.
I also don't like how your car has no auxiliary port,
What does that mean?
like a cigarette lighter for me to put my radar in the car,
Oh, sorry. I didn't build it.
because it does not have my radar. Oh man, it's like Monday through Friday I don't come out the place, and now I'm finally seeing the public.
It's hot.
I don't care, I want it hot, burning my mouth. Muy bueno. Es comida es muy bueno. ¿Qué? ¿Qué pasa?
You're Mexican now too?
Yeah. Duh. Again, I identify as an Indian Mexican. Oh, that's pretty good. I'm not even gonna lie.
And you want to take it away from me? How dare you?
That's so good. We're gonna go see what's over here. I never get to really adventure.
There's nothing over here. It says road closed.
Well, doesn't seem so closed, does it? Seems like it's open to me.
Looks pretty closed. It's getting hot over here, huh?
Oh wow. It's a whole roundabout over here. Wow. They're gonna build a lot of stuff here. That was open, right? Like, it wasn't blocked off. Was it?
No.
Like, I'm allowed to be here.
Wow, they built all this?
Yep.
This is pretty.
This is ridiculous.
And then it ends over there, but this is nice.
They're building so much here. Like, they're building actually so much stuff. It's crazy.
No, the last one will be yours.
No, it's okay. You have it. That is a hospital being built. So all this building, that's a hospital. And they have a lot of money because of the health insurance and the healthcare system in America. Like, how else do you have enough money to build this?
Wow, they're fast. Do you see how they have less workers because of what's happening?
What do you mean? All the deportations?
The Latinos, yeah.
Oh, haha. That's not really.
A lot of people are scared to go to work.
Really?
Yes.
Why? You think they'll raid like a construction site? That's really racist.
They're gonna pick them up out of anywhere. That's what they're doing.
That's so weird. Imagine you just going to work and you just get deported.
That's happening.
Even for people who are born in America?
I think they're profiling them and they hold them up until they can prove it. Yeah, they prove it, but like that's
No, if you have a social security, I think you're a citizen. And you're fine. Which you have.
Oh God. You're trying to pick me up from Switzerland.
No, you're fine. I think your family is in jeopardy. So, bye bye, abuela.
Well, it's fine.
Really? Oh, okay. So then, your uncles. Bye, tios. See you, Nora. See you later.
You're too much.
Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe if you're new. Don't forget to subscribe. And comment below your thoughts on the Mazda Sedan 3 as usual. And if you haven't checked out my other videos, I have a lot now. So, go check them out. Go have some fun in the channel. Go watch some cool cars I've done videos on, reviewed, and all that good stuff. And just, you know, hunker down. We're gonna do some more vlogs because I think vlogs are fun and they're cool. And the stupid gate is not opening. Why is it not opening? Oh my god. What an inconvenience. These are luxury apartments. This is not luxury. This is literally the opposite.
Honey, you just had to anchor.
And why do they
yourself
open so slow? Like, I don't have time for this. I want to immediately go into the the vicinity. Like, not really ram into the gate. I would have rammed into the gate. Maybe I should make this like a vlog today. No, I'll post this today. I'll post like a better video tomorrow. I think I can lift up the CX-50 now. Look at these
there.
guys.
Right here, right here.
No, I can park next to the truck.
No, I don't want you next to the truck.
Okay.
God forbid they scraped the side of my car.
Oh gosh. Then they're liable for property damage.
I know, my love, but no. Just
Look at that parking. Tow meter. Tow meter.
A+.
Ooh.
Whoa. Hey, A-. I got my key.
You got your key? I'll show you guys the outside of this car because it's so nice. Actually, I like it a lot. She needs to clean it. But Mazda has a really high quality paint. Like, look at the, I don't know if you guys can see the sparkles. It's a really nice paint job. And it's glittery. Very glittery and very nice. This thing looks so good. I don't know if you guys can see the glitter in the sunlight, but dang, it looks so good. It's fire. I'll see you guys in the next one.